base system in numbers. In our day-to-day life, we use decimal number system. For example, 5963. In base 10, it is written as 5000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 3, where 5000 is equal to 5 into 10 cube, 900 is 9 into 10 square, 60 is 6 into 10 raised to 1, and 3 is 3 into 10 raised to 0. So how would you write 345? It is 3 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. How would you write 67? It is 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to 0. How would you write 4? It is 4 into 10 raised to 0. Changing base of a number to decimal. For example, if I write 5463 to the base 8. So this is octal system. So how would you write? It is 5 into 8 cube plus 4 into 8 square plus 6 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0, which comes out to be 5 into 512 plus 4 into 8 square, which is 64, plus 6 into 8 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0, that is 3 into 1. That comes out to be 2843. So we'll write 5463 to the base 8 is same as 2843 in the base 10. Let's try one more example. 1402 in the base 5 is what number in the base 10? Simple, same approach we'll use. It is 1 into 5 cube plus 4 into 5 square plus 0, 0 भी count करना होता है, 0 into 5 raised to 1 plus 2 into 5 raised to 0, which comes out to be 125 plus 4 into 25 plus 2, that is 227. So how do we write? 1402 to the base 5 is nothing but 227 to the base 10. So base conversion from decimal to other numbers. For example, 965 in the base 10 is what number to the base 7? There are two methods. Let's discuss the first and easy one. You have to continuously divide 965 with 7. So 965 divided by 7, in left hand side I will write remainder and in the right hand side I will write quotient. So 965 divided by 7, quotient is 137 with the remainder of 6. Now what we have to do is continuous divide 965. So I am going to divide 137 with 7 again. So 137 with 7 again. So quotient I would get is 19, because 19 into 7 is 133 and remainder is 4. Now again 19 divided by 7, quotient is 2 with remainder of 5. Now again I will divide 2 with 7, till then I get a quotient of 0 and remainder of 2. Because 2 divided by 7, 7 to 0 is 0, remainder is 2. So no further division possible, so we will stop here. Now how we can write? It is simply we have to count from bottom to top. So 965 to the base 10 is 2546 to the base 7. Let's take one more example. 1463 to the base 10 is what number to the base 4? Similar approach, we have to continue divide 1463 by 4. So if I divide 1463 by 4, I will get a quotient of 365 and a remainder of 3. Again 365 divided by 4, quotient of 91 plus remainder of 1. 91 divided again by 4, quotient is 22 with remainder of 3. 22 again divided by 4, quotient is 5, remainder of 2. 5 divided by 4, quotient is 1, remainder is also 1. And 1 divided by 4, quotient will be 0 and remainder is 1. So how would we write 1460 to the base 10? Remember, you have to count from bottom to top. So it is 1,12,313 to the base 4, or it is 112,313 to the base